Your subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix this problem. So here you can see it, connection unsuccessful. When you try to connect to some device with Bluetooth on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So now for fixing it, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Bluetooth. So just try to turn it off and turn on again, and if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to fix it in another way. So just find your device from this list and just tap on it and choose forget this device. So after, just go back and just you will find this device here again. So just try to connect to it again. So just tap on it and try to connect again. So I hope that it will help you. If it doesn't help you, just try to reset your phone. So just go back, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.